What's up, guys? Bye now. See you any day. We're doing last time. We thank you so much. Last time we reached it, I literally got a red play button. So congratulations. Thank you so much every time. So look, that's my red play button. I make this one. I nobody to make this. I trying to build this, make this red play button. Okay. Steven Zang game players. Congratulations for spasting how this words. For supply sling for supply sling for 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. You can give me 100 subscriber YouTube. The YouTube. But yeah, so congratulations. For surpassing. Oh yeah, surpassing 100 subscribers. Because last I reached a lot. Before on January 5. That's why I reached it a lot. But Jake, he just reached a lot because he didn't know because he's just good at it. I'm so bad at I am because I was doing dominoes. Some point I'm not. You want to see my game? Yay! My goodness, dude, this is a wallpaper. You want some? Yo, this. That's my shirts. I make that all years. So guys, how many because I click likes? Give me a 5,000 likes. I gotta build my t-shirts. Because of 100 subs. Thank you so much. We reach a lot because I'm pointing at looking at someone. So yeah, these are red t-shirts that look like a new t-shirt. Because they're hard to buy. Because it look like a t-shirts that look like a blood. I don't know. You want to see my game? You had to see because the last time I blanket. I don't know. Some point is a year. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, guys. So now, son, remember your dominoes. Yeah, see how I was built that master dominoes. Some point, quite a while. Okay, guys. So work hard I am. Build this dominoes and knock it down. Oops. Miss again. Yeah, because I messed up the last time they read away. Maybe because the last time I played games. Okay, guys, I'm back here. So we play server, we play the Sky Kid. Yeah, maybe FaceTime. Okay, guys, there yet? Take a longer. I forgot to close the door. Okay, I closed it. Okay, see. Got the redstone. People watching me like a vacation I am. Okay. Let me see it. Get up there. Oh shoot, I almost fall off. Where are you? Oh no, you in the barrel. You pro there. No. Combo. Oh, he did it. I comboed him. Get out of here. No way. Come on. Come to this kid. Oh my god. Get away from me. Dude. They did. Dang it, he just laughed because right behind us, he just laughed. Dude, my hands sweat a lot. He's just 3 days. Don't matter, guys. Because last time I had it last week because of real life Minecraft animation. Well, never soon. We'll be back soon in animation. Some point last time before. Some point last time my face cam is the last time I started finding my eyeballs. I'm not good at it. In this game, a good combo. Some point 3 days ago. Well, at this point, I'm not good at it because my hand's cheating a lot. I need to play the computer because it's easy I can play. Laptop, I don't know. Keep sweating a lot. Dang it! Spin at 12 CPS! No! No. Got it. Boombox! Fly! No! Dang it! I can fly through any glitch. Dang it. Come on. It's only news. Oh my god, this guy's very cheater try hiding. You know what? I was leaving now. Bye bye. Later. Die. E-Pro did. Nice job. It'll go to Apple. It'll go. No, use E-Pro. You dare you do that? Go back again. A sprint jump, and he's dead. You did. Oh, he's glitched. Two fingers. I'm going to. No. Fail. Okay, we played the bridge. Okay, I'll use the face. Okay. There you go. There's a Minecraft fake cam. Sorry, because I can't move for some reason. Let's forget it. Let's go. I'm trying to happen to teach you down the Minecraft bridges. Come on. Dude, build this bridge. Okay. Bridge. Okay, I tried my bridge because I tried. This help me. Okay, let's play a death run. Okay. Oh shoot. You have to make it very fast as you're leaping. Okay, I bright off. This is hard to see because the people didn't watch it. Oh shoot. RJ, slow jump. Introduce it. Oh, wait, what is this? I see something. Is that an octopus? Bang. Piano. There's checkpoint. Oh, come on. Yeah. Go upstairs. Hurry. Made it. Oh shoot. Slow jump. There you go. No, I had it! That's not fair. I hate you. I'm at 8th place. No, I'm not. No, I'm 7. Dude, please give me a chance. I didn't win first one. Go! I can make it! Dang it. First again. You joke me. I'm dying 3 times. Oh, watch out, this stink one. Dude. Dang! You blow me. Are you serious? 7 plays again? Dude, I keep dying a lot. Maybe I didn't know how you say. Let's go. Dude! What just happened? You just slapped me at the last one. It's over. I thought it'd take you 4 minutes. Oh my gosh. And I got. Let's go. 105 points. Let's do it again.
No, 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 no. Dang it! It's over. Let's go. Dang. So how did you get to climb up the ladder? I was just the ladder. Oh no no. Oh no. Wait, is that a leaf? Oh no. Yeah, I will kill you when I get up there. Dang it. What are we doing? We're using wooden sword combo. Come on. I don't want to fight you. There you go. No! Let's go! Let's go! Sumo winner! Wrong way. No, no. Wait! What? Tell me! Let's go! Almost 3 hours. He almost chasing me out like this. Dang it. My fingers. Oh my god! Let's go! We tied! We have to get with this one! Dang it! My hand is so tired. No, this guy's again. Okay, we'll have to beat this guy. This guy is very, very rude. He said GG? No, cool. I'm going too crazy. Guys, I learned the last time this. Check it out. Dude. Please, I wasn't controlling. Dude. See? I can't even do that. Because you panicked me. You keep panicked. My gosh. Yeah, he's staying there here way longer. He's recording. Look at that! I'm so mad because I was doing so good. I was a gamer pro person. Last time I was so mad because at some point I heard the doors to some moms to get here. Yeah. Yeah, I think you technically won. Cause I like this. Because you panicked me. Yeah, and one more win and you had to give me at a $1,000. And now that was a practice. Blue win. I don't want to play this game. This game is very rude. The last time minutes is 12. Oh sh. You want to play this game? You want to play this game? Dang it. Oh shit. You want to play this game? No. No. Dang it. Let's go. Oh my god, this is just dead now. Maybe we're doing this.
Hit my next joy, subscribe button. Next joy, subscribe button. I will show you episode 13. Bye guys.